Hi everyone and welcome back. So finally we have our first ever unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in both the botanic green and cotton flower color. Also I have a face from Yosash watch faces that is available for giveaway. So don't forget to check it out. Just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. This video was posted by a Twitter user where he shows the box and retail packaging. As you can see, the box is similar in terms of size like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but this time back side of the phone is printed on the box. Removing the lid, you can see the phone in that cotton flower color, which is looking nice, and I'm thinking to get the same color too. Rest it's having almost the same design as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Massive camera rings can be seen and one of them has a 200 megapixel sensor. Anyways, I'll check out the camera in detail once I'm able to get this phone in my own hands. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel to never miss any update. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design. This is Yosash A460, available on Google Play Store. It has a nice looking military style design which has a ton of information in the background. Our digital time is highlighted in the center, while rest of the information is present on each side of the face. For example, distance traveled, heart rate monitor, battery percentage, step counter and day as well as date is highlighted here. Shortcuts are present here in the form of phone, message and music. If you want to customize this face, just long press on it and now tap on customize. First of all, you can change the color of its steps and battery percentage. Next, you can change background color like this. And then you can change the color with time and day as well as date. Further, you can customize your watch hands, like changing their color or hiding them once and for all. At the end, we have few settings for complications. So that was all about Yosash A460 available on Google Play Store. Now let's see its always on display mode. The watch face always on display mode is dimmed down to conserve battery life, and the color combination in AOD mode is the same that you have selected for the main watch face. So that was all about for today's episode. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section and subscribe to the channel for more updates on Galaxy S23 smartphone. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.